today, it'll give him, lay him to rest. And, you know, Palau is going to miss him. Not just Palau, but the rest of the Micronesian region. That he was an iconic figure sa Plura at Tel Pacific at Tora Music. And that's why we sing, that's why we write, that's why we try to perform like him. Lengi ang na-inspire ay gigidin. The feeling ang sinarama mo sila gigidin kang gagarin. So this one goes out to you, Johnny. And thank you for all the good times and for all the wonderful memories and music that you brought into our lives. Fill out my island, paradise of the sea, beautiful people, so strong and free. We give our hearts to you, whether young or old. I pledge my life to you. Weather shines through.